Oh, good eye. All right. Let's lead it off. Let's do this. All right. Now you're ready. Good, good, good. You got this, Noah. All right. No, it's 3. That's just 3. Noah, you got one more. Got one more. It's 3-1. It's 3-1. So if it ain't good, don't swing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, now. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Connor. All right. Let's go, Connor. Get up in there. Huh? Listen to coach. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready. It's all right. That's all right. Let's go. It's JoJo. It's all right. Let's go. It's all right. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go. Right. Run it out. Run it out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Noah. Noah. Come on. Come on, man. That's all right. Hey, got you? All right, let's go. Good hit, Joel. All right, Noah. Every pitch, I want you to come off about 3. Don't leave too soon. Let's go, Robert. Eyes on, Noah. That's good. That's good. That's right. All right, Robert. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Throw it. Come here. On the field. Let's go. Okay, got you. Got you. He can. They looking at balls. Yep. Yep. Boys, we got to swing at these. Come on, Milo. Come on back. But I want you to do it every time. It's good practice. You can't steal, but it's good practice for you. Let's go, Milo. It's 2 outs. Let's go. Crack of the bat, you're running. Crack of the bat. It's 2 outs. Joe, it's 2 outs. All right, all right. All right. All right, Nick. Crack of the bat, I want you running. As soon as he swings, I want you running. As soon as he swings, I want you running. Hey, we got the swing, got the swing, got the swing. You guys looking at too many strikes. Load up. Let's load. Let's get this now. Let's go, Nick. It's 2-1. Good. Nick got to hit it. Load up, Nick. Load. Right now, load. Step out, step out, step out, step out. Nick, you got to swing that bat. Come on, you can do this. Come on, I know you got it. There you go, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Follow through, Jaden. Follow through. Let's put it right across the plate.
Playing catch, Jaden.
Straight to the glove, straight to the glove. You got this. All right, all right. 3.
You doing pitch count?
3, right? Or 2? 3 pitches.
It was the 3rd.
All right, all right.
3-1, Brett.
4. Follow through.
Right down the middle, right down the pipe. Go. Good eye, Brett.
Back.
Hey, D. D. There you go. Put your bat in the middle.
All right, all right. Hey, all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. You stop it. Follow all the way through. Watch your stride. Watch your stride. Jada. Jada, I want you coming up, down. Hold the ball, hold the ball. Come on, I want to see you follow all the way through. Bring it all the way down. Don't stop.
How did he get on second?
I have no idea.
He's short stole. He stole it. Is that the...
All right, there you go, there you go.
It happened to us a couple times. Watch him over on first. He's tricky, man. I don't trust that guy, and I told you. Good eye, D.
Follow all the way through, Jaden. The ball will come down. I want you to throw it down to the glove. Down to the glove. Follow all the way through.
Hey, Braden. Good job. There go. Hey, D. There go.
Jada,
Okay.
stay on that spot, okay? Same pitch, Joel.
Move over to the left. Move over to the left.
Milo. Yeah, right there. All right, all right. Same spots. Get ready, Henry.
Hey, Tad, good eye, okay? Good job, buddy.
Nick, come up about 2 steps. And come to me a little bit. Right there. Come on, Jaden. Good follow through. You got this. You can get him. Come on. All the way down.
There you go. Go, 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 go.
Touch second. It's all right. It's all right. Got one out. Yeah, if you walk. Generally, they just keep going if they can get away with it. Ball's live.
Even if the pitcher's holding the ball?
Ball's live. It's live. Hell, it's happening.
It's be dead when it's on the mound.
I agree. All right, boys.
All right.
Right here. All right, all right. Milo. Well, right there, right there.
Dad, you ready? Come on, Gavin. Good eye, bud. Good job. Go, go, go.
Second. Down. Cut off. Run it in, run it in, run it in. Run it in. Right there. Good. It's all right. Let's go.
Hey, Giancarlo. Nice and easy. No home run swings, okay?
It's one out, boys.
Get an RBI here. This is the big copy of my team. He swings like it, but never crushes the ball.
Oh, watch him last season. He.
Oh, fall ball he did.
There you go. There you go, Jaden. Keep it right there, man. It's a good pitch. You're doing good.
Come on, Giancarlo. Just like in the batting cages. Have fun. Hit the ball.
No throw it. No throw. No throw. No throw. No throw. Henry, move over a little bit. Right there. One more step. Joe. All right, all right, all right.
Come on, Giancarlo. You're fine. 1 and 2. You got this, Dave. Go.
Hmm.
I'll take that back a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, Giancarlo.
Hit the cutoff. It's getting better. He just warming up. Close that gate. Andrew, close that gate. Robert, you see that, right? You see where he hit it, right? So where do you need to be? Yep, right there. You got 2 on him, Jaden. One more good one. One more good one.
Come on, Giancarlo. Good eye.
It's a-
Those are tough, man. I was catching the other day. The kid popped one up, and the kids were yelling at me. I'm like, what are you talking about?
Miles, go that way a little bit.
Hey, Gav, good job.
Let's go now. Do it again, Jaden.
Come on, Giancarlo. Good eye. Deck the play, 2 strikes.
All right, there you go. There you go. That's good. That's good. How many?
Guys, Guys, come on, reach up
Okay.
to that.
19, 19, 19, 19, second, third, 2 outs. 2 outs, boys. Hey, it's 2 outs. Where we going? 2 outs. We're going to first. Henry, move over a little bit.
Maywa.
I want you to cover first. Joe, get ready.
Good swing, eye on the ball.
Joe.
Right, guys, 2 outs. You don't have to run, okay?
Follow all the way through, Jaden. All the way through. There you go. There you go, man. Stay right there with it. That was a pretty pitch. It's all right. That's all right. You're good. Adjust on the rubber. Remember what I told you. Remember what I told you.
Come on, Iowa. Good eye, buddy. Good eye. Good eye, Maywa.
That's a pretty pitch. Pretty pitch. One more, Jaden. Give me one more. Give me one more.
All right, Maywa. Come on, bud. 2 strikes. Protect that plate. If it's close, you got to swing.
23. 22. Yeah. Bring it in, boys. Good job. Good job, man. Go get him, Miles. Get ready. Get ready. Don't worry about them. Get up on that plate. It's all right. It's all right. You're swinging. You're swinging, man. Hey. Miles, get a little bit closer to the plate. Nice level swing. There you go. Lock up. There we go. Load. There you go. All right. All right. Huh. Didn't know it could go through that fence. That's all right. That's all right. If you see it in there, take it. Good eye. Good eye. All right, all right. Keep battling, Miles. You're good. Here we go. Oh. Check him out. Check him out. You all right? Yeah, he in there. Okay. Jaden, let's get that hit, man. Let's go, Jaden. Go, 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 go. You there? Slide. Slide. Stay there. Stay.
Good job, Miles.
Good job, man. Miles. Jaden, it's 3-0. It's got to be pretty. It's got to be pretty. All right. We'll take that. Who's up? Judd. Judd, be a hitter, man. Get up on that plate and be a hitter. Here we go. Here we go. Mouse. It's no outs, boys. It's no outs. Get up a little closer. Right there. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. I want you to slide, slide, slide. Good. Good job, Mouse. Good job. Get in there. Close to the plate. Close to the plate. Here we go. Load up. That's that one I want you to hit. Now you seen it. You all right. Let's go. That's just one. Let's go. Now you're ready. Swing that bat. Come on now. It's all right. It's all right. Run it in. Run it in. We'll get him. All right, Henry. Come on, Henry. Get that hit. There you go. Run it in. Run it in. Get up. He missed. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Way to duck it. Way to duck it. Good running. All right, Noah. We got one out. Henry. Go, Henry, go. Get there, Henry. Don't look back. You all right? Got him ready for you, Noah. Bring him home. Get ready, Jake. Noah. All right. Now let's do it. Now you got it. Let's go. All right, all right. There you go. Take your swing. 2-1. There you go. Turn, 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 turn. When I say turn, I want you to come out here. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Go back on the base, back on the base. Good job, good job. When we turn, Henry, when we turn, when you get to that base, just turn right here and wait. Okay? Just like practice, just like practice, just like practice. Way to go, Noah. Noah. All right, Connor. We swinging. We're not looking. All right. I see what you're trying to do. Make sure you get it there. I see what you're trying to do. Get it there. Let's go, Joel. Let's go, Joel. Yeah, okay. Here we go, here we go. Let's go. Good eye, good eye. Let's go now. Got 1 out, 2 outs? How many outs is it? Okay. We're running, it's 2 outs. Let's go, Joe. Get there, Judd, get there. Slut. Stay on, stay on. Can't advance. Been pretty, though. Let's go, Joe. What is it, 3-0?
Yeah.
3-0, Joe. Got to be pretty. Move up a little bit there. It's all right. Let's go, Robert. Let's go now. Good eye, good eye. Let's go now. Robert, swing, man. Bring that bat around. You gonna swing it, swing it. Step out. Step out.
Just like that. Just like practice. Just like practice. Make the pitches swing. All right, guys, get ready. Ian, back up a little bit. There you go.
All right, Angel, let's do it.
Good job, Miles.
Milo. Right there. 2-1. Connor. Back up about 1 step. Right there. That'll work. That's a pretty pitch. Keep it in there. Oh, yeah. Keep it in there. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Robert. That's good, that's good.
Great job, Angel.
Judd. You stay right there, Henry. Remember to back up first, Henry. What battle number is this? What battle number is this for? 9? 9? Okay.
Guys, he's up at the end.
Hey, Jaden, go that way a little bit.
Get ready.
Right there. Right there. All right, Miles, keep it going. Keep it going. Huh? Okay. Whoa, yeah. That's good. Hey, Noah. Noah. Squeeze it. It's all right. That's right. Go. 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 If you're going, go. If you're going, go.
Check that plate, Ian. Anything that's
Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Oh. That's all right, Miles. Oh. Go. 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 Does he have a... Oh. We walked him? Okay. Any outs? I thought we had one out, right? It's one out. Let's go, Miles. All right. Good job, Miles. Good job. Milo, you're about 2 steps to the left. Keep it going, Miles. Keep it going. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Good job, Miles. Good job.
Zion. Second practice. Step into it and rip it, okay? There we go.
I'm going to call time in a second and just, you know. Mm-hmm. Blue. 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 Where's the play?
You ready? Watch the ball.
Tim, get ready.
Go! Hold it. Right there, Ian. Good job.
Way to get it, Noah. Good decision. That's good. Yeah, you know. Here we go. Here we go. Give it to him, Miles.
It's up in the air or on the ground. Don't go. Go!
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Jaden, go over that way a little bit. Right there. Right there. Come on, Miles. Follow through on it. There it is. Good throw. You just throw into the glove. You just throw into the glove.
Right, Zion. Good eye, buddy. You got it.
Another strike, Miles. Come on. You got it. You got it.
Maiwa, you're not up. Get in.
Which means they don't know what they're doing.
Maiwa, tuck your shirt in. Straight in.
You got it, Miles.
Straight in. Okay?
Got one out? One out?
All right, Fred. We need a good hit. Relax. Follow through. You got it.
It's 2 outs, boys. It's 2 outs.
Be ready. Go, Zion. Go.
Hold it. Hold it.
All right, right.
Miles, just throw it straight to the glove, buddy. You got this. You got it. You're doing good. Just throw it straight to the glove.
Right. Something's good. Rip that thing.
Here we go. Here we go. Get ready, boys.
Let's go, Miles. Come on, buddy.
Let's go, Milo. There you go. Run it out. Run it out. Run it out. Run it out. Let's turn it up a bit, boys. Let's turn it up a bit. Good eye, Nick. Good eye. When he comes up the pitch, load up. Go, 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 go. Good job. Mallow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get down, get down. Good. I didn't say hurt yourself. You good? All right. Here we go, here we go. Let's go, Nick. Bring him home, Nick. Good eye, good eye. All right, go get him, Miles. Miles, Miles. There you go. Go, go. You're up, you're up, you're up. Ooh. That's the one, Miles. You're all right. Come on. He does that again, I want you to get on it. Good eye, good eye. It's got to be pretty, Miles. All right, take your base, man. Take your base. All right, Jaden. That's right. No outs. No outs. We got the bases loaded. Jaden, you swing, okay? We can't leave him out there again. Can't leave him out there. Fella low. Let's go, Jake. Load up a little quicker. Jayden, bring that bat out some. Come on now. Good eye, good eye. Here we go.
Keep it level. No uppercut. Level swing.
Good eye, good eye. Step out. There you go, level. Nice and level. That was your pitch. Take it on in. Take it on in. Go, Judd. Judd, I want you to come into the plate. Come into the plate. Right there. I want you swinging. Stay in there and swing at that. Stay in there and swing at that. You got it, man. Good eye. Come in a little closer. You can do this. Good eye, good eye, good eye. Get up on that plate, Judd. And swing if it's in there. Good eye, good eye. See, you can always jump back. Come back in. Get in there. Come on, get up on it, get up on it. That's why I want you to get up on it so you can hit those. Get in closer. Come on. Good eye. Take your base. Go home. Henry. Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry.
Let's go, Henry!
Oh! Get that bat back, Tim. Show him what you got. Let's go, Tim. All right. Step out, take a swing. All right, here we go. Let's go. Good eye, good eye, good eye. Step out, take a swing. Ooh. Here we go, here we go. Oh. All right, all right. Oh. Whew. All right, Noah. Who's catching? You catching? No. Go that way a little bit, Noah. Joel. Okay. Make sure you get him at first. You mighty deep. Ooh. Ooh, that's the hip. Yeah. That's the hip. Let's go, Dick. Noah, you got second, okay? You got second, Noah. All right, all right. Huh? Yep. Whoa. Uh-huh. Because I think he can get it there.
I think he can too. He hadn't done it enough time. But we'll also want to judge try a little catch up to
Really? Cool. Cool. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. Hey, hey, cover the plate. Cover the plate. Walk up with it. Walk up, walk up, walk up. Walk this way. Walking back, walking back. Pitcher. Do not turn your back on it. Keep your eye on it. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Connor, what's all of this? Up, out, down. Don't sway with it. Just come up, come forward. And across the plate. You got this, man. Come on. You all right? You got it now.
All right, good eye, guys.
You got your line out there? You got your line? All right.
All right, Connor.
Stay on that line. Let's get it going now. No outs, boys. Tim, way to dig. Let's go, Connor. Now, back to the pitcher, back to the pitcher.
All right, Gab, you got it, buddy.
Hey, Noah.
Get ready, Gab.
Run home. You playing too deep? I know. Get back in your position. Get back in your position.
Hey, Nick. Gotta get in the back fast, just like the drill yesterday. If there's hurt.
You had to wait for the first baseman. Can't throw it over that somebody's there. All right, all right. Hey, Nick. Nick, come over a little bit. All right. Hey, Jaden, this your guy. Get ready. Robert, get ready. Out at first. Run home. Run home. Run home. Good. Oh, yeah. I know. He would have made it, too. I saw him in the corner of my eye. I saw him coming. I saw him coming.
Oh, come on, Mayo. Good eye, Mayo.
Come on, boys. We got one out. Stay with it. Nick.
There you go.
Nick. Where's Nick? Nick. Good. Right there. Tim, way to be a wall. That's good. Hold my legs up a little bit. I want you like this. Athletic. On your toes. There you go. It's a good pitch, Connor. Let's go. Let's be ready, Henry. Be ready. Be ready. That's the way to find it. Be a wall, Tim. Be a wall. Come up on it. Let's go, boys. Look alive.
Good job, Mayowa.
Let's go now. Come on now. Henry. All right, one more, Connor. Come on now.
Come on, Mayowa. Good eye. Good eye.
Well.
Yeah, I believe it. It's fun. Sometimes though he comes alive and he'll rip it. Good eye, Mayowa. Good,
Floated.
Mayowa.
Blue. Get ready, outfield. Get him at 2.
Counter ready in field.
There it is.
Come on, Brooks.
Let's go, boys.
Come on, Brooks. You got it, buddy. Good eye. Mayowa.
20? Okay. Wow.
Let's go, Mayowa. Go! Almost. Good job, Brooks.
One more, Connor.
There you go, Brooks. Good eye. Hey, Brooks. You got 2 strikes.
Yeah, Judd. Flat throw.
Good job, Mayowa. There you go, Connor.
Good job, Connor. It's good. All right. It's 2 outs, boys.
All right, boys.
It's 2 outs. Where's the play?
Got it.
First, second. We got first and second, but we want to get this out. Get the out. Well,
None of them want to, man.
are you serious?
Like you asked.
Wow.
Look at we got 1, 2.
A lot.
Look at the dude up on the cell phone.
Mm-hmm.
Go, 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 run, run! There we go, there we go.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. All right, all right, all right. Come on, Connor, get that hit. Load it up. Whoa. Way to drop. Remember, drop that bat. Woo. It's a good swing. Keep your head in there. Keep your head in there. Load up. Keep your head in there. Good. There we go. There we go. Let's go, Joe. Got a couple of good spots out there, Joe. Go to him. Go to him. Let's go now.
Go, Joe.
There we go. Slide. Come on, come on, come on. Don't look. Slide, slide, slide. Go. Touch the base. It's good hustle. Good hustle. Let's go, Robert. Go, Robert. Whoa. Go on, Robert. Drive it, Robert. Robert, drive. Go all the way through it. All the way through it. Get it off your shoulder. Okay. Let's go, man. What? Let's go, Milo. Oh. Milo. Milo. It was kind of low. It was kind of low. Let's go. Let's go now. All right, all right. Oh. All right, all right. Remember to drop that back. Good eye. Connor. Yeah. Yeah. Three, 2. Let's go now. It's coming. All right. Let's get that hit, Nick. Milo. Milo. Hey, Milo. Break it down every time. Come off that base. Come on, Nick. Be aggressive with it. You got it. You got it. There you go. That's 3. That's 3. He's normally the starter. Oh, not good.
He's one of our we have like 3 ones. He's one of our ones.
Oh. Uh-oh. All right, Milo. Huh. Okay. Let's go, Milo.
Melvin, good job, buddy.
Hit your spot. Hit your spot.
Melvin, good job, buddy. Good eye, okay?
Ooh. That's strike. Stay in that zone, man. Stay in that zone. You're doing good.
Right down the middle, Milo.
Stay in that zone. All right. Good pitch.
Infield, get ready. Now hit him. All right, Joe, get ready.
Here we go.
Joel, get ready.
Take your time, Milo. Take your time.
Get ready, Noah. Pretty pitch, Miles.
Nice. Nice.
Ready, infield. Good pitch, Milo.
Give him one more, Milo.
One more. One out, pitch. Look good to me, Milo.
All right, all right. A little more follow through, and you got it, Milo. A little more follow through. That's it. Good job. It's 2 outs, boys. You got 2 outs.
Lays it first. All right, Frank. Good eye, bud.
All right, all right, all right. Yeah.
Pitch, Milo.
Yeah. Hey, Jaden.
Pitch, Milo.
Here go Milo. Jaden. A little bit more. Right there.
Milo. Noah, draw. One more. Noah.
But you need 1.
Move to your right. Move to your right.
Big step, big step.
Go back up, Joe.
Come on, Milo. Big step. Just follow through.
All right, Milo. Don't lose him.
Hey.
Got this, Milo. Down the middle, Milo. Play catch. Play catch. Right in the glove.
Let's go now. Get this last out. Back up. Noah. Get ready, Miles.
Right idea with the helmet, man. Right idea.
Let's go now.
All right, Brian.
Come on, Milo.
Squeeze it. Hold it, hold it.
Covering who?
Robert.
No, you got to be behind him if you're covering him. Nice pitch.
Right, nice pitch, nice pitch. One more. It's on it, it's on it. One more of those. We're good, we're good.
Good pitch. One more just like that. Come on, Milo.
Come on now. Hit the kettle! Hit the kettle! Hit the kettle! No! Yep.
Come on, Milo, relax.
Shake it off, Dad.
Nice pitch.
Let's go, let's go.
Right down the middle. Nice pitch, Milo. One more.
Just like that, bud.
Oh. All right, Milo.